super box ng Philoil. Kasi I remember, tuwing nag-vlog ako ng pre-season, lagi akong may clips sa area na to. So, meron nung pandemic, and then meron din nung pre-season nung intern ako. So, 2017 or 2018 na tayo. Sobrang happy and blessed na nandito pa din tayo, and mas bigger role na yung meron tayo ngayon. Kasi I used to be just a campus media before eh. So, right now, we're part of the media relations team. Sobrang laki na ng responsibility, and I'm so blessed kasi na-handle ko yung mga campus media sa different UAP NCAA schools. So today is the quarterfinals day. Lagi naman ako playoffs nag-vlog. Right now, halftime ng second game, which is Letran and UST. Kanina nanalo JRU versus NU. So, gusto ko lang i-document tong moment na to and itong mga araw na to na pre-season. Sana manalo kami. Kanina lamang kami ng 12, pero ngayon lamang na yung UST ng 3. But hopefully, manalo kami. And yun lang, sobrang happy ako na napupush ko pa rin yung sarili ko mag-upload ng videos kasi sobrang roller coaster yung journey ko sa pag-document, sa pag-YouTube. Pero I always got excited whenever I can document. Sobrang lakas ng ulan right now and nakuha ko yung schedule. Feeling ko malilipat next week Saturday yung semis or wala pa namang final. So yun lang, sobrang thankful ako sa mga tao nagsusupport, especially kung napanood niyo yung vlog ko nung 2018 or 2017 nung intern ako. Tapos nandito pa rin kayo ngayon. Maraming salamat. Magsi-start na yung game. Ayun. I need to go down. Sama ko pala sila daw. Hi! Si Lian. Wala, nagpasama lang ako.
Come out of the phone. I'm breaking hearts and I put them in chrome. Swiping, no swiping. These bitches be stealing my tones. Stealing the charts type of shit that I'm on. I might go Vincent, skeleton bone. You know a bitch like me get cold. Icing out everything I own. Kick from the bottom to bottom. I brought my twin with me just like feeling Lil. These are hoes watch me on replay, just like it's a real. You know I stay real. I give a fuck how you feel. I might go yellow or black on Margiela. I cut through the paper, I'm killing the bill.
Sabi nga, nag-chat niya sa akin sa DJ Live. Sabi niya, sana may NC na mag-finals. So, ano yan? Ano ba? Saan ka ba? Diyario? So, kahit sino naman, ako, focus ako kasi gusto ko rin umabot din ng finals kasi nga para ma-extend. Kasi nga, sino na yung
Ano?
vlog yan?
Yes.
Hi vlog.
Yala po. Asa na sila ako? Oh, hi vlog.
Push ba?
Hi vlog.
Push ba? Push ba? That means again.
Uy, pa-picture daw.
to get you out of my mind. 'Cause I noticed you. So I'll just drift away and disappear for a while.
Hi guys! Kakatapos lang na si Daphne nandito nagpipicture. Kakatapos lang ng semis and ganun ka, ganun. Hindi ka lang yun ang pag-gawin. Ayusin mo kasi ang ganda niya. Wait, I'm taking a video kasi.
Okay, so hindi niya inaayos. Okay naman eh. Ayun, ang ganda mo nag-cooking.
Okay, I love you so much. Ayun, tawag dito. Kakatapos lang ng semis and as much as I want to make a vlog na katulad ng mga vlog ko the past years na nag-pre-season ako, sobrang chaotic ng video na to kasi sobrang busy the past days ng pre-season, especially nitong playoffs, as in sobrang busy lang ginagawa, dami inasikaso. So nakakalimutan ko
Video in a video.
nakakalimutan ko mag-film ng maayos for the YouTube vlog. But the past days, sobrang heavy, sobrang bigat. Bukod sa busy and ang daming ginagawa. We lost our brother yesterday. So, as much as I want to take videos today for the YouTube vlog, ang hirap kasi whenever nababanggit si JV, as in, naiiyak na lang ako. And it's so heavy to think na parang wala na siya with us. Ayoko na siya i-discuss dito kasi again naiiyak ako. Pero ayun, we lost sa JRU and Daphne is happy because of that. And UP lost too sa San Beda. I mean, sobrang motivated ng Beda to win. Wala pa ako sa finals game 1, so sobrang weird na hindi ko magagawa tong video na to katulad ng mga past vlogs ko about pre-season. Pero again, ginagawa ko naman to because I want to document and ito talaga yung real life na nangyayari. Part of life. May mawawala sa atin. It's very sad to have that kind of news. Pero syempre, we're gonna move forward. We will bring JV's memory with us. Mamimiss namin siya sobra. I think Beda will go now after natong game nila. Punta sila kay JV sa Bulacan. Sana makadalaw ako next week kasi meron akong trip tonight. So, yun yung reality ng job na to. Kailangan namin magtrabaho kahit marami nangyayaring negative. Sobrang happy lang ako to have this girl with me. Daph. Daph. That's my backbone.
Ganda nung white ano. Parang naka-DJ ay.
She's my backbone. And Russell and other friends. They're my backbones. So, yun. We gotta do what we need to do. And we need to cover this game. I mean, on the brighter side, it's a new champion, di ba? And it's
In
JRU.
general, Ate Jella is working for the NCAA brand. So, this is really a good thing for her community as well.
It's both
Not just her school, but also
it's
her
both
community.
it's both NCAA teams yung maglalaban sa
First time, right?
yeah since 2000 we don't know yung last NC to NC, but last NCAA champion is Beda 2019. Bolik pa yun, guys. So now it's a new champion. Winakasan nila yung UPing nag-aim ng 4-peat. So we're very, very excited. We're very excited sa mangyayari.
Sir!
What can you say about today?
Twins!
Saya si Duff kasi 2 wins siya. And meron siyang shirt. Show the brand.
3 wins pala. This is my 3rd win, guys. Good cop. Good trade.
Good
Fidget trading. Good trade.
Yun lang, nag-aantay lang kaming humupa ang traffic, kaya kami nandito. And wala naman ayun, may tao, pero yun.
See you on the finals. Especially this girl. Happy girl.
Hanggang kailan ba ako aasa sa wala? Paikot-ikot ang gala mo, matatapos pa kaya?
May kasama tayong pilay! Kamusta naman ang recovery mo? Mas paniniwala na akong babalik ka kaysa mag-engineer. Isang game lang ngayon pero ang dami ko ng pagod. Lamang naman sila. Eh!
Son? No, 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 no. Hey, I've been waiting all night for this moment. I've been waiting all year for this moment. I've been picturing you taking off your clothes for me. I've been literally curving all these swords for you. Daddy told you better bring your ass on. Cinderella better get your ass on. Man, I swear the parents just don't understand.
Hello! Tapos na yung game. Nandito si Pen.
Kasi nandito ang aking Navidab. Supportive wife siya today.
Pinlip ko nga, sinabi naman niya. Okay, wait lang sa Rigumba. Pakasama ko sa Rigumba. Sa Rigumba, wait lang.
Take my hand, follow me to my room. Tell your little friends you gon' be alright. Girl, I got the plan for the whole night. Okay, your legs like a stone. You got people in there. With my dreams, why I sleep all the time.
Tapos lang naman ng video.
Say I love you just a touch.
Sarap, puro
Yung
hipon.
papa, yung itay ko. Tapos itay.
I just wanna see you fly. Because your fragrance got me faded, you be keeping me high.
'cause this angel has flown away from me, leaving me in drunken misery. I should have clipped her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel has flown away from me. Thought I had the strength to set her free. Did what I did.